Holy egg prices, Batman. I know, hang on. They should come back. We're having a little issue. I'm sure you've heard about it. We're having a little issue. I'm sure you've heard about it. Eggs are becoming harder and harder to find, which means one of two things. You don't want to buy as many because they're more expensive, or you need to forego them entirely for the time being. Or you need to find a local person who is selling them and get them from them. Today I want to share with you a couple of breakfast ideas that are not egg-based. It's so easy. I could think of a million egg-based recipes for breakfast, but I want to share with you some breakfast recipes that don't have eggs, but also have enough protein to help get you through the morning and to lunchtime. I do have a whole bunch of ideas listed over on the $5 Dinners blog. You can see that link below the video, so be sure to check that out so you can save, print, or pin any of the recipes to use in your upcoming meal plans. So protein is really important for myself because I'm in my mid-40s. Maybe, well, I don't know. I think I'm like literally halfway between 45 and 50. So maybe I'm still mid-40s, like almost to the day, halfway between. Anyways, I need protein for myself, and my kids need protein because they have a long time until lunch typically, and because I want them to have a good balanced diet with a little bit of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I ran the price breakdown at my local grocery store, and it's 50 cents an egg right now. I actually came in the other morning, my husband was making scrambled eggs, and I saw him crack the first one into the bowl, and I was like, that's 50 cents. I saw him crack the second one, oh, there's another 50 cents. The third one, oh, okay, $1.50 for your breakfast so far, which sounds a little bit crazy, but it is what it is. I was just teasing him, but also calling out the fact that eggs are really expensive and we need to be mindful of how we are using them. Eggs, typically breakfast, a breakfast for dinner, and of course in baking. Here are some non-egg specific recipes that are heavy on the protein and really scrumptious and are gonna keep you full throughout the morning. I have a lot of these over on the $5 Dinners blog. You can see that link in the description below. I've pulled them all together into one place so they're easy for you to find. You can then save, print, or pin any of those recipes that you want to keep for your upcoming breakfast plans, or you need an alternative for your normal scrambled eggs, you want to be making something else on the regular. You'll want to check out that list of recipes to get some new ideas. So non-egg breakfast proteins, I want you to think bacon, sausage, chicken sausage, all of those you can cook pretty quickly. I could cook those in the rest of our morning routine pretty easily. If you're using a frozen type of a breakfast sausage, you can just reheat that really quickly. That's really easy. If you want to skip the egg on a breakfast sandwich, do that. Just do English muffin or bagel, a sausage patty, and some cheese. Warm that up, melt that cheese. Super delicious. Just skip the egg on that one. We often do avocado toast with an egg and a little hot sauce around here. So in that case, I would take off the egg and I would replace it with bacon and guacamole. Like, it's almost like the bacon on top and the toast on the bottom. It's almost like it's delicious. A little sandwich. You could do a little cheese as well if you wanted to do almost like a quasi breakfast grilled cheese, if you will. So there's a couple of like sandwichy, toasty kind of options for you. Two other proteins that we really like to incorporate into breakfast are high protein yogurt and almond butter or peanut butter. With yogurt, you're gonna wanna look for a Greek yogurt with a higher protein count. I usually look for 16 or 17 grams per serving, and then I will often add a half a scoop of protein powder in with the yogurt, so then I have a really dense and protein heavy yogurt base, and then from there, you can add other ingredients, granola, fruit, over the top, and enjoy a really hearty, delicious parfait-like breakfast that's super heavy on the protein as well. For almond butter, we love to add that in with some fruit and coconut flakes. That is the monkey breakfast salad that you will see on the recipe list over on the $5 Dinners blog. Again, that link is below in the description. I also like to spread it onto pancakes or onto waffles with some fruit and maple syrup. Also just a really great way to just add a little boost of both flavor and protein. I have a bunch of other ideas over on the blog. You're gonna wanna go and check that out. and get some of these printed, saved. I can't do this backwards and upside down. You get the idea. There's lots of ideas. There's lots of ideas there to spur on your breakfast creativity with options for your breakfast that do not require any eggs or a minimal amount of eggs because you are using them to bake something that is delicious and hearty for your people. We can only hope that this season of egg shortage and higher egg prices is short-lived. But for the meantime, I hope this recipe list of non-egg breakfast ideas is helpful to you and you can find a new family favorite. If you did find a new favorite or some of the ideas we talked about here inspired you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications because we are releasing new videos all the time and you don't want to miss out on any of this budget and frugal cooking fun. All right, my friends, happy non-egg breakfast making. It's bye for now and we'll see you soon.